Welcome to this learning video on street light installation and maintenance by Power Sector Skill Council, produced in collaboration with SEMCA. This video is aligned to the job role of Assistant Technician, Street Light Installation and Maintenance, QP code PSS/Q 6003, NOS code PSS/N6003. We are now going to learn the step-by-step procedure for wiring of LED street light fixtures, including installation of protection devices like surge protection device. Now we will see power distribution to different areas street lights and working of street light in manual mode and in auto mode from the street light control panel. This is a street light panel. Now we are opening the panel. Now you are watching the selector switch in which we can see manual mode and auto mode mentioned. We use manual mode during inspection and maintenance street light or when timer not working properly. To start the street light in manual mode, we first select the manual mode through selector switch. After that, we will push the on button. Now you can see on indication light glows. It is showing that street light is in on condition. Now we can switch off the street light by pushing the off button. Now you can see off indication light starts glowing. It is showing that street light is in off condition. Now we are opening the street light panel door. Now you can see the bottom of the panel where the incoming power supply cable came through the trench connected at cable terminal, which is covered with insulation sheet for protection purpose. Output from incoming cable connector connected at input terminal of molded case circuit breaker MCCB. MCCB output through contactor controlled with timer connected to output bus bar. From output bus bar through wire, 7 numbers MCCB are connected, which is catering power supply to different areas street light. You can see the timer controlling the contactor in auto mode for switching on and off the street light. For automatic mode operation of street light, we are using the timer. Timer get 230 volt power supply from incomer MCCB's output point. Contactor is controlled through timer. Here contactor's timer controlled switch used for switching on the street light as per the on time of the timer. Switching off the street light as per off time of the timer. Accordingly, it will switch on and switch off the street light in automatic way. If any problem arises in the timer, then we have facility to switch off and switch on circuit in manual way. Now, we will see the installation of protection devices. Surge protection device used for protection from surge voltage, over voltage protection. Before going to the main topics, first let us know why we need the protection in the circuits. As we know, LED technology has become the reference technology for lighting. This is mainly because of its 4 characteristics, which are efficiency, versatility, energy savings, and longer life. In spite of these benefits, the technology has a number of drawbacks like higher cost of implementation, initial investment, and internal electronics, LED optics, and drivers. Much more complex and sensitive to overvoltage than in the case of traditional light sources. The use of overvoltage protection systems is a very cost-effective investment. It extends the life of the light fixture, ensures the cost effectiveness, that is return on investment, ROI, of LED projects and reduces the cost of maintenance and replacement of light fixture. So, a surge protection device SPD connected upstream of the driver complements the intrinsic immunity of the luminary. This creates much more robust protection against the effects of lightning and overvoltage. Now we will see how to install surge protection device. As we are watching surge protection device, one side terminal is input and the other side terminal is output. We can connect surge protection device in series and parallel both manner, but series connection is better in terms of protection over parallel connection. In parallel, if the SPD reaches end of life, the luminaire will remain connected, giving priority to continuity of service. In series, if the SPD reaches end of life, the luminaire will be turned off, giving priority to protection. This connection is recommended because it makes it possible to know if any SPD has reached its end of life. This avoids having to open each of the luminaries to check the status of the SPD. Therefore, series connection is preferable than parallel in installation of surge protection device. As you are watching, we are going to connect surge protection device in series. First, we are going to connect the surge protection device input terminal with the incoming power supply terminal having 3-wire phase brown, neutral black, earth green, and output terminal of surge protection device phase having red, neutral black, earth green with the input of LED driver. Earth green wire going to connect with the body of LED fixture. Now, connection of surge protection device with light fixture completed. This surge protection rating is 10 kV, 5 kA. We are using here for 90 watt LED street light fixture. Surge protection device SPD act as a voltage control switch, which will remain passive till the system voltage is lower than its activation voltage. When the system input voltage in case of LED street lights, voltage increases than the SPD's activation voltage, SPD will divert the surge voltage and protect the luminaire. So a surge protection module installed in front of the LED power supply unit provides effective protection for lighting systems. When surge protection modules reach their end of life, a mechanism is needed to indicate that the modules require replacement. The series connected SPD module provides the simplest way of indicating the need of replacement by disconnecting the light fixture from the power source, resulting in the light turning off. We can see the protection system of the light fixture connected. Now we will fix the front glass cover of the light fixture properly. Now it is ready to fix in street light pole. In this video, we have seen how street light work in manual mode and how through the timer, street light work in automatic mode. Also, we learn here that by using surge protection device, we can save the street light from lighting strike or from switching surges. We have seen the advantage of connecting surge protection device in series.